Vice President Sara Duterte accused President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. of trying to divert attention from the government's flood control controversy, dismissing his anti-corruption message as a PR stunt. Duterte argued that Marcos could not distance himself from the issue because he signed the national budget, and questioned the administration's anti-graft campaign, saying no one has been jailed over the alleged irregularities.
Wala naman siya napakulong sa flood control scandal eh. At saka yung sinabi niya na mahiya naman kayo, it was a PR stunt na sinali nila yung linya na yon sa speech niya na nag-backfire. Dahil ang katotohanan naman kasi talaga, ghost projects yung flood control kung hindi man substandard, unfinished or substandard projects. No? So, sinasabi niya na lang yan ngayon na parang ako yung nagsabi ng mahiya naman kayo para mailayo niya yung sarili niya doon sa flood control scandal. Unfortunately, hindi niya pwedeng gawin na ilayo niya yung sarili niya doon sa korupsyon sa flood control scandal kasi siya yung pumirma ng budget.